I'm Judy Love Bowman, aka Dr. Think and Shine, and this short is about focus. When I was working on my doctoral dissertation at Harvard Divinity School, one of my dissertation committee members, Dr. Barbara Neufeld, sent me a cartoon. Back then we had little newspaper cartoons, and in one scene the person was writing. The next scene, that's when we had typewriters and we had word processors. The next scene, the person was dusting a spider web. Next scene, she's writing. Next scene, she's unclogging a toilet. Next scene, she's typing. The next scene, he's cooking. Next scene, typing. Just to show you, there are a million things you can do. But if you put yourself on a disciplined schedule and focus, I mean relentlessly focus. And if you have to go to your device to check on a spelling or a biblical reference or a time or a date, please don't fall into a rabbit hole, because you can fall into that digital rabbit hole and never get back to your assignment. Focus. Ignore distractions. If someone calls you and you know they're not calling about anything, don't get the phone. Protect that time. Whether it's 1 hour, 2 hours, protect that time. Focus, no distractions. You can do it. Happy writing. Like this video. Follow for more. God bless you.